Hello students, today we are going to learn about asexual reproduction. Production of new plants without seed is known as asexual reproduction. Here four methods are there. One is vegetative propagation, another one is budding, another one is fragmentation, the last one is spore formation. In vegetative propagation, you see in potato vegetable, you will see some holes is there. That holes are known as eyes. Through these holes or eyes, new plants are formed. So this type of reproduction is known as vegetative propagation. In sugarcane also this takes place, and in table rose plant we can produce new plant with the help of its cuttings. A small cutting is enough. In mint plant is also. Small mint plant is a stem is enough to produce new plants. So this type of reproduction is known as vegetative propagation. The next one is budding. In budding, one single cell organism, yeast is an example. Yeast produce a bud in the surface area of its cell, single cell. So an asymmetric form of one budding is formed. Later it matures and detach from the parent cell. Then it produce a new, grow and produce new cell. This is known as budding. So the yeast is used in bakery for bread softening purpose. Then another asexual reproduction is fragmentation. And some algae are present in ponds. Naturally in village, some algae are float, green color algae are float on the surface of the pond water. And one of the algae is known as Spirogyra. It reproduces by fragmentation. There is the lengthy Spirogyra algae is matures and divided into small pieces. That pieces, single pieces, can make a new algae. This type of reproduction is known as fragmentation. The last one is spore formation. During unfavorable conditions like scarcity of water or scarcity of minerals and scarcity of sunlight or any high temperature, during these type of unfavorable conditions, spore formation. During unfavorable conditions, non-flowering plants can make these type of reproduction. And that is a high pressure or a high temperature, or during some scarcity of water or scarcity of minerals, scarcity of sunlight. During these type of unfavorable conditions, the non-flowering plant undergo this type of reproduction, that is spore formation. Under the leaf blade, spores are produced. That spores are during the favorable condition, that spores become new plants. The spores are usually shedded on the surface of the soil by the parent plant. In today's class, we learnt about types of asexual reproduction. That is vegetative propagation, fragmentation, budding, and spore formation. So read with your book, and if you have any doubts, ask me. Thank you, students. We will see you in next class.